This bird is definitely a neat freak. It bites a snakeskin to wipe back and forth. It won't even allow a leaf on its territory. It must be cleaned spotlessly to ensure the area is dust-free. After cleaning, it spits out some red berries from its mouth to decorate the ground. This is the male bird of paradise's stage for its courtship. Once everything is ready, the male bird will rehearse. These dance moves may look simple, but they last for a long time. It's a huge test of stamina. Only strong and fit males can complete it. After 2 hours of practice, its dance steps become perfect. Now, it's ready to start the real show. The male bird spots a female nearby and plans to collect some berries to entice her. But after he leaves, the female flies to his stage and takes away his snakeskin. For the female, it's good material for a nest. When he returns, the female has gone. Now, he must find another mate. While the male is in distress, a female comes flying over. What a gift from heaven. The male paradise immediately begins its courtship dance. From above, it looks like a spinning black umbrella. Its blue feathers on top resembling a pair of bright eyes. Such a graceful dance captivates